Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making mojito cocktail. Oh wait, it's without the alcohol, so it's gonna be a mocktail. I'm gonna be making this mojito 3 different ways. It's gonna be so refreshing and so flavorful. You're really gonna enjoy this. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with a piece of lime and sugar. Muddle these together. Release all those beautiful oils and the juices from this lime. Throw in 6 to 7 pieces of mint leaves and just press them lightly. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add in the ice, soda or sparkling water. Garnish it with some fresh mint. Now that's a classic mojito mocktail without any alcohol. On to the next one. Grab your glass. In with the blended mint, lime juice, sugar syrup. Throw in the crushed ice, soda or sparkling water. Give this a slight mix. Finish here with some fresh mint. Now that looks amazing. I've added a bit of the lime as well. On to the next one. Grab your glass. Add in some of the lime, some of the mint, and here I've got some of these juniper berries, if you can see. It has that flowery aroma, you know. So I'm just gonna throw those in. In with our sugar syrup, 1:1 ratio. Muddle this. Okay, so that looks good. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of these basil seeds that were soaked in water. I will add some more after. Just throw that in. Half a teaspoon of black salt. A fresh squeeze of lemon. Hopefully there's no any seeds. Give this a little mix. Throw in the crushed ice. In with soda or sparkling water. Finish with a touch of basil seeds on the top. Give this a slight mix. Finish with a touch of fresh mint and a touch of the blended mint. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks refreshing. Bismillah. Let me get this mint out of the way. Oh man, the mint, the lime hits you really hard. This one is fantastic. You need to try it. I'm really excited to try this one. As you know, we have blended the mint, so I'm expecting it to be a lot stronger than the previous one. So, Bismillah. Wow. To be honest with you, the taste of this one is different to the previous one. This one is a lot stronger, but it's very delicious and it's a lot more refreshing. Now again, we have some exciting flavors. Looks refreshing. It's more like on a lemonade side. It's a bit sweet and salty, along with the lime and lemon. So refreshing. Let me know in the comments below which one you liked. They are all very delicious and so refreshing. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy. I really hope you guys are enjoying these recipes. I really appreciate all the comments you guys leave on the videos. Much appreciated always. See you next time.